In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF with Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is an AI companion that can help you streamline tasks and save time by automating and simplifying processes, like summarizing documents. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to see how you can use Copilot to get quick summaries from your PDFs. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Copilot platform. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Microsoft Copilot. Once you're there, you'll find that the home page is designed to be highly intuitive, with a straightforward layout that makes each task easy to execute. Familiarize yourself with the interface if you've never used it before. It's relatively simple, but knowing where everything is can speed things up later. Once you're on the site, the next step involves adding the PDF file you want to summarize. Look for an option that says Add Images or Files. This is usually prominently displayed on the page. Click on it, and a file dialog box will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. Select the PDF file you need summarized and upload it to the platform. Depending on the file's size, the upload might take a little time, so be patient. With your PDF file successfully uploaded, you're now poised to engage with Microsoft's AI technology. In the chat box, usually found right below the file upload area, type out the command "summarize this PDF." This instruction is direct and tells Copilot exactly what you need it to do. The AI is designed to understand such tasks and will begin processing your request immediately after you enter your command. Now, after you've typed in "summarize this PDF," don't forget to click the Enter button. This step is crucial as it initiates the summarization process. Pressing Enter confirms your request, and Copilot will get to work, scanning the document to create a concise summary. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on the document's length and complexity. Usually it's quite quick, showing you results within a few moments. Once Copilot finishes processing, you'll be presented with a concise summary of your document right there in the chat interface. The summary will capture the essential points and provide a clear and brief overview of the content, saving you the hassle of sifting through lengthy text. It's that simple, and there you have it. Using Microsoft Copilot to summarize your PDFs can save you time and energy, helping you focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowered you to efficiently use AI tools to aid in your daily tasks. Be sure to join us in our next video for more tips